Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching the Hollywood Glam Tablescape collaboration. Now, the host for this collaboration is the lovely Ellen, and Ellen's channel is Glamour Ellen. Now, she has a co-host, and her co-host is Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Now, both of these ladies do fantastic tablescapes, and Glamour Ellen really does a lot of glam decor, and so does Tammy. Tammy also does revamps, home styling, you name it. Again, you can't go wrong with either of these ladies. So please go down, find the links to their channels today, and show their channels some love. Also, there's a playlist in my description box. If you want to see some beautiful glamorous tablescapes, I hope you'll go and visit that playlist as well, because I'm certainly going to do that myself. Now, guys, if you subscribe to this channel already, thank you for your support. It is very much appreciated. If you don't subscribe, I hope you'll do that today, and make sure that you tap that notification bell a couple of times. Now, that's all I really have for you today, and I just want to end by saying I cannot wait to see you, each and every one of you, in my next video. Bye-bye. Stay safe, stay prayed up, stay blessed. Bye-bye.